Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search for Nova app and you will click here. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem, so please don't forget.